If your fork legs are blue, red or golden like mine, and you don't like the color, unfortunately there is not a lot that you can do about it. You can't wrap them, you can't paint them, the only solution is to live with them. But I have found a workaround that looks awesome, it is easy to do and it is very cheap. These right here are carbon tube fork protectors. They are not very popular in sport bike world but commonly used on motocross bikes cause their front suspension is exposed to a lot of beating from rocks, dirt and sand. And I got an idea to install these tubes on my bike because I really hate this golden color. Kit have 4 pieces, 2 for each fork leg, it cost me around 50 bucks and yeah, it is made out of a real carbon fiber. So we are gonna install it now together and see how it looks. But before we start, we must remove these ugly as fuck yellow reflector things. Fun fact, do you know that in Serbia we call this mačje oči, the cat's eyes, because you know the eyes of a cat are reflective at night. Install of a carbon tubes is very easy. Just spread them on one corner, put over your fork and slide it in. That is it.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that?
We go from ugly as gold to real carbon. And who doesn't love carbon? So what do you think about results? I think it looks very nice. Yes, a little bit of golden is left on the top and on the bottom, but I think it looks way more nicer than before. And that will be all for today, folks. This was a short one, but I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for your time and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!